Hey guys, it's Gina. If you are looking to cut down clutter on your nightstand, you definitely want to check out this Anker 3-in-1 charging system. Let's take a closer look. We all know what it's like to have a nightstand that's full of clutter, and this really helps you alleviate that. So let me show it to you up close. The back here is where you're going to sit your AirPods if you have some. I don't actually have AirPods, but if I did, this is where I would charge those. Your watch sits right here on top, and then your phone is on the front. Inside your package, you're also going to get the charging cable as well as a nice Anker charging block. So I'm going to show you how it works. You're going to take your Apple Watch, and you're going to sit it right on the back, and then your phone will go right here in the front. It looks nice. It keeps everything in orderly. I want to point out again, this is their space-saving stand design. Very compact, leaves a very small footprint on your nightstand. It'd even be great for traveling because it's easy to throw in a bag. The nice thing is also you do get this adapter and the power brick, so you don't have to go find one. It's going to be right here in the packaging for you. We trust Anker is going to give us amazing products. Again, the Anker 3-in-1 charging system. If you have AirPods, a watch, a phone, even if you're just like me and you just have an Apple Watch and a phone, this is a really great find, something you definitely should check out.